tree.
Where?
By that tree.
I saw it a few minutes ago. We're looking at a bird. Can you see it, baby? We done
Right
lost it. Let me see. Is it? Oh, I see it. I see it. Let me see. Can I zoom in a little bit more now? Let's see. We don't want to scare him. Wait.
It's the next one.
Huh? He's right. Oh, they flying away. This is so beautiful out here. Now, this is what you call free. Just being out free in nature. Look at that. Angel, we gonna have to find us a red bird somewhere. I know it's got to be some red birds up here somewhere. Oh, listen, look at how tall the trees are. Texas style. You found, what did you find? Oh, okay. Beautiful. So we just walking on this trail. There's some little picnic tables over there. Let me see where this gonna end. Where? It's another bird. See, I like to do things with my niece and nephews and stuff, so they can learn about nature and learn about the simple things in life instead of staying on their phones and computers and in the house all day on electronic devices and not getting out to enjoy life and discover what life is about. You know, thank God for devices and electronic devices, but the children needs to get out and explore nature. So I try to take them to the museum. You know, Noah, when he was little, I took him to the museum, and I think the last outing that I take Noah to was the air show, and he built, forgot what he built, but he was at Home Depot. Home Depot was out there, and he built a little bird house, I think. But it's just little simple things that I do with my nieces and nephews to try to keep them, you know, in touch with nature and everything. So, which way you want to go? Oh, you want to keep going? Okay. She might have to tote me back. No, I'm just kidding. So, it's just the little things that I try to do with them, so when they grow up, oh yeah, I remember Annie did this and Annie did that. Yeah. So we're gonna get on off of here and we'll be back with you guys in a few.